As Christmas is drawing close, I was thinking back last year about some of the gifts that I made that were so well received. I think they were appreciated more than any gifts I've ever given. And I painted glass ornaments on canvas. Some of them were fairly elaborate and complicated, where there were multiple balls, but the one that I'm going to show you how to do today is a single ball with a ribbon with a reflection on the table. And I think sometimes glass and things that are highly reflective can look a little intimidating to an artist, but I'm going to show you how easy this is to do. We're going to identify the shapes, the colors, and values. It's just like a jigsaw puzzle, and when you put those things in the right place, then voila, it just reads correctly. And I have found that this is such a gift from the heart that the people that I have given these to have just appreciated it so much. This is something that you can customize with your own colors, your own color ribbon. This is on a 6x6, but you could do a larger painting that could be hung on the wall and could be used for decoration for your home or as a gift. But I guarantee you, if you give it away, it's going to be a really special, well-received gift, and it's a lot easier than it looks. If Christmas has already come and gone, this would be a great project for you to do to get ready for next year and to have a really special lineup of gifts for the people who are closest to you. Stay tuned, I'll show you how I did it. This is the painting that we're actually going to be doing today, which is on a 6x6 canvas, but I wanted you to also see a similar painting that I did that's on an 8x8, and rather than having the ribbon at the bottom, it was just run through the top. So some of you may feel like that's a more simple approach. Either way, I'll put them side by side and let you see what a difference they make. But I think the 6x6, as far as a gift, makes a really nice size, and it works well on a small easel. I'm going to be showing you today some excerpts from a full-length tutorial that I've just put out on Skillshare. So if you'd like to see how I did this painting from start to finish, I'll put a link in the description box below. Hey, if you'd like to see the 40-minute tutorial on how I did this painting with complete instructions, check out my Skillshare link below. And as always, you can really help this YouTube channel by clicking on that like button and hitting subscribe. Thanks a lot.